Hello students, how are you? Welcome in new video of reasoning and aptitude. And you know that the reasoning and aptitude is very helpful to find the solution of daily routine questions. So in last video we studied the chapter number 7, Venn diagram. Venn diagram is used for comparison and classification of items and group of item. हम वेन डायग्राम किसके लिए बनाते हैं? किसी भी दो आइटम्स के बीच में जो सिमिलैरिटीज़ हैं, जो उनके अंदर सेम फीचर्स हैं या जो उनके अंदर डिफरेंसेस हैं. सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस द questions of this chapter number 5. Let's start example number 1. In this example, which one of the following diagrams correctly shows the relationship among tennis fans, cricket players and students? In this question, diagram हमने करेक्टली शो करना है किसका रिलेशनशिप, किसके बीच में रिलेशनशिप, जो टेनिस प्लेयर हैं उनके फैंस हैं या क्रिकेट प्लेयर हैं और स्टूडेंट्स. सो ये तीन, दीज आर 3 आइटम्स. नंबर 1 स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर 2 क्रिकेट प्लेयर एंड नंबर 3 टेनिस फैन. एंड वी ऑब्जर्व द ऑप्शन नंबर 1, ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ऑप्शन सी एंड ऑप्शन डी. विच वन ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? So we solve this example with the help of solution. So understand, there are 3 items. Number 1 student, number 2 cricket player, and third is tennis fans. Okay, now some students are cricket player. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपकी क्लास में 40 स्टूडेंट्स हैं और उन 40 स्टूडेंट्स में से कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जो क्रिकेट प्लेयर होंगे. सम स्टूडेंट्स आर क्रिकेट प्लेयर एंड सम स्टूडेंट्स आर टेनिस फैंस. अंडरस्टैंड? जो 40 स्टूडेंट्स की आपकी क्लास है उसमें से सम आर क्रिकेट प्लेयर एंड सम आर टेनिस फैंस एंड सम स्टूडेंट्स आर बोथ मीन्स दोनों. दे लाइक क्रिकेट एंड दे लाइक टेनिस. अंडरस्टैंड? Some students cricket players, some students are tennis fans and some students are both cricket player and tennis fans. So it is the circle of student. It shows student. So some students are cricket player. That means these are the student cricket player. And now some students are tennis fans. These are the tennis fan. And this part, that means these students are like both cricket player and tennis fan. So our option is like this. Our Venn diagram become like this. So we check this figure is matched with which option? Option A, option B, option C and option D. So our figure is matched with option A because A is correct answer because it is one circle of students, second is cricket player and third is the tennis fans. I hope you understand the question. Now example number 2. Which figure will best represent the relationship amongst the 3 classes? There are given of 3 classes. One class is sea, second is island, and third is mountain. And which figure show the correct relationship? If option B, C, and D. So let's understand this example with the help of solution. There are 3 classes. Number 1, sea. Number 2, island. And number 3rd is mountain. So first of all, we know the meaning of sea, that means definition of sea. Sea is water body. Water bodies are called sea. And island. Island is the part of sea, because in water body there is some land that is called island. So island is the part of sea. सी क्या है? वाटर बॉडी, जहाँ पर पानी है तो वो सी होगा. अब आइलैंड क्या है? सी जो पानी है उसके अंदर जो भी थोड़ा सा लैंड का एरिया होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड आइलैंड. सो आइलैंड इज द पार्ट ऑफ सी. ये आइलैंड जो है वो सी से बिलोंग कर रहा है. नाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड द माउंटेन. माउंटेन इज द हाई लैंड फ्रॉम ग्राउंड. माउंटेन क्या है? जो लैंड है, जो उससे हाईएस्ट उसका जो लेवल है, दैट आर कॉल्ड हाई लैंड फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. उसकी हाइट पर, हाइट ऑफ ग्राउंड. So that is considered mountain. Clear? So you observe sea and island have some relationship because it is the figure of sea, and island is the little part, small part of the sea, and mountain is not belong. Mountain features are not belong to the sea and island. So there is no relation, and when there are no relation between two items, we draw the circle separately. जब कल मैंने बताया था आपको लास्ट वीडियो में कि if there is no relation, then we draw the circle separately. So these two items are related, their some features are matched, so this one sea circle overlap the island circle, and mountain is differ from both of them. They have no similarity, so we draw the separate circle of mountain. So which option is correct in given? Option A, option B. So option A is match. This figure is matched with option A. So our correct answer is A. Now example number 3rd. So let's start the example number 3. Which of the following diagrams represent the relationship among table, chair and furniture? There are 4 options. यहाँ आपको 4 options दिए हुए हैं to show the relationship between table, chair and furniture. So let's consider. First item is table. Second is chair. Third is furniture. So all tables are furniture. जितने भी टेबल हैं उन सबको हम क्या कहते हैं? फर्नीचर. बट इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट ऑल फर्नीचर्स आर टेबल. जितना भी फर्नीचर है, ऑल फर्नीचर्स आर नॉट टेबल. ऑल टेबल्स आर फर्नीचर बट ऑल फर्नीचर्स आर नॉट table. So it is considered as one-sided relation, and one-sided relation is shown by it is the figure of furniture, and table is the part of furniture. It shows the all relation. Second is chair. Similarly, all chairs are furniture. जितने भी चेयर्स हैं वो सब क्या हैं? फर्नीचर. but it is not compulsory that all furnitures are chair. तो यहाँ पर भी वन साइडेड रिलेशन है, सभी चेयर्स तो फर्नीचर है लेकिन सभी फर्नीचर जो है वो चेयर नहीं है. सिमिलरली यहाँ फर्नीचर के अंदर जो है एक पार्ट है चेयर का, सो इट इज शो द सम रिलेशन एंड देयर इज नो रिलेशन बिटवीन टेबल एंड चेयर. टेबल जो है वो फर्नीचर तो है लेकिन टेबल और चेयर के अंदर कोई भी सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दीज आर द डिफर. So it is the correct answer of example number 3 and we observe which option is right. That means option C is right. So in example 3 option C is correct answer. So let's understand the example number 4. Which of the following diagrams represent the relationship among animal, pet and dog? There are 3 items. Number 1, animal. Number 2, pet. And number 3, dog. So, what is the relationship among animal, pet and dog? Let's understand. First of all, we find the relationship among the pet and dog. So, some pet are dog. जो भी है पेट उसमें से कुछ जो है वो डॉग होंगे एंड सम डॉग आर पेट. जरूरी तो नहीं है कि सारे के सारे डॉग को हम पेट बना लेंगे. क्लियर? तो जितने भी पेट हैं are some pet are dog and some pet are not dog, maybe cat, maybe rat, any other animal, and some dog are pet, some dogs are pet. That means some are taking care by the person and some are not taking care by the person. That means they are not pet. Okay, and now we find the relationship among the between the animal. All dog or pet, it is compulsory that both are animal. चाहे वो डॉग पेट है या नहीं है, जो पेट है वो डॉग है या एनी अदर एनिमल है, ऑल आर बिलोंग टू एनिमल. सो इट्स वेन डायग्राम shown by this figure, it is the animal and in animal these are the pet. And some pet are dog. So correct answer is option number B. So option B is correct. This is the circle of animals and it is the circle of pet and its orange circle is of dog. So some pets are dog and some dogs are pet. So correct answer is B. Now let's start the exercise. Exercise question number 1. First question is husband, wife and family. There are 3 items, 3 things that are number 1 husband, number 2 wife, number 3 family, and we find the correct option. How can we draw the relationship, draw the Venn diagram to show the relationship? So first of all, first is husband, second is wife and third is family. So understand family is large and husband is the part of family. Husband belong to family. तो ये जो husband है वो family का क्या होगा, एक part होगा. इसी तरह से जो wife है वो भी किससे belong करेगी, family से ही belong करेगी. It is also part of family. So family, that means it is the figure of family and Husband is the part of family, and there is no relationship between, no similarities between husband and wife. Both are the belongs to family. Husband है या wife है, दोनों के दोनों family से तो belong कर रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या है, husband जो है वो separate होगा wife. So इसका Venn diagram is correct. Answer is answer D. Answer D is correct. That means it is the, it shows family, and husband is the part of family and wife is also part of family. So correct answer is D. Now question number second. Food, curd and spoon. There are three items. Number 1 food, number 2 curd and number 3 spoon. Food, eatable things. जो भी आइटम्स हम ईट करते हैं दैट इज आवर कॉल्ड फूड, एंड कर्ड इज आल्सो ईटेबल, एंड कर्ड इज द पार्ट ऑफ फूड. हम फूड में डिफरेंट आइटम्स लेते हैं और कर्ड जो है हमारे फूड का एक पार्ट है. फूड में ऑल आइटम्स आ जाएंगी जस्ट लाइक चपाती, हलवा, राइस, पल्सेस, कर्ड, मिल्क. These all are belong to food. And curd is also eatable, but curd is the part of food. So, and third is the spoon. Spoon is not a food. It is not a food item. It is not a part of curd. It is a utensil we use to eat. We use the spoon to eat the eatable thing. So it is separate. So curd is the part of food. It is the food, and curd is the part of food, and spoon is separate. There is no relationship, so we show the spoon separately. So correct answer is answer C, because it shows it is the circle of food, and curd is the part of food, and it is the circle of spoon. There is no relationship among food, curd and spoon. I hope you understand this both of the question. Do practice of these question. Thank you. Have a nice day.